and welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you 10 Romanian phrases that you can use when you fail to understand what has been said to you or when you don't understand what someone is trying to tell you. Please remember that whenever you use such ready-made phrases, you need to be aware of the language register, as you'll probably have to modify and adapt them a little bit, or maybe not use them at all if they're, for example, too casual or too inadequate for a formal conversation. Most of the phrases that I'm going to show you here are suitable for informal and colloquial conversations, and you can use them with friends, family, and people you can be casual with. So keep in mind that if you want to use these phrases in more formal contexts, you'll have to adapt them to the formal register. That being said, let's begin. Nu înțeleg. Îmi pare rău, dar nu înțeleg ce vrei să spui. Scuze, dar nu prea înțeleg ce încerci să îmi zici. Nu pricep o iotă din ce spui. Habar n-am despre ce vorbești. Ce ai spus? Nu am înțeles ce ai zis. Scuze, n-am auzit ce ai spus. Poți să repeți, te rog? Poți să repeți ce ai spus adineauri? Poți să vorbești mai rar, te rog? Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you've learned something new. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy!